tools that help you prep apples are fantastic time savers. We found two styles: crank style, which peels, cores, and/or slices fruit with the turn of a crank, and push style, shaped like a wagon wheel, which cores and slices fruit, leaving the peel on. Now this crank style has to have crisp, firm apples that'll stay anchored on these prongs, or the machine won't work. We think both styles have a place in your kitchen. Our favorite crank style is this one, the VKP brand's Johnny Apple Peeler suction base. It's made of cast iron, it's sturdy, and it processes fruit in seconds. Look at this. This is absolutely the fastest way to make piles of fruit that are peeled, cored, and evenly sliced and ready to bake. Now we also have two recommended push style models. The Norpro Grip Easy Fruit Wedger, 16 slices with base, cores and slices apples into 16 narrow slices. The beauty of this one is it has a little base. You line up the arrows and you push it down and it releases all of the pieces perfectly. And then this one, the OXO Good Grips Apple Divider. This one cores and slices apples into 8 chunky wedges. Both of these are sturdy and sharp and make it easy to core and cut apples into convenient pieces.
At Cooks Illustrated, we're food nerds. That's why every recipe we develop involves research, cooking science, and rigorous testing by our team of expert test cooks, before being tested by our dedicated community of 40,000 home cooks. Only the highest rated recipes earn a place in our award-winning magazine. Every issue features our latest recipes and discoveries, cooking tips, and equipment and ingredient reviews. Our step-by-step photos and hand-drawn illustrations show you exactly how to succeed. What you won't see, even a single page of advertising. We've worked for home cooks like you for over 30 years. So, are you ready to become the best cook you know? Subscribe to Cooks Illustrated magazine at cooksillustrated.com today.
We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, head over to americastestkitchen.com and get a free all-access trial membership.
While you're there, you can sign up for our free email newsletters and download our app.
With unlimited access to over 14,000 of our test kitchen recipes and 8,000 product reviews, you'll have everything you need to cook and learn.
So I ask, what are you waiting for?
Let's make something great together.